Good morning. Today our topic is randomized algorithm. I, Ravi Saran, will try to explain the basics of randomized algorithm. Now, what is deterministic algorithm? Deterministic to prove that the algorithm solves the problem correctly always and quickly. Typically, the number of steps should be polynomial in size of the input. Randomized algorithm. So now, what is randomized algorithm? As you can see, there is a deterministic algorithm input and there is output. If we add one random bit, then the behavior of output will vary as per this random number bit. We'll see later on as per example. Next, types of randomized algorithm. There are two types of randomized algorithm. First is Las Vegas algorithm and second is Monte Carlo algorithm. Las Vegas algorithm constitutes those randomized algorithms that always gives a correct solution or do not have any corrected solution at all. Means either we'll get solution or we don't have any correct solution, and it can run up to infinite time. Second is Monte Carlo algorithm. These algorithms always gives an output answer but may occasionally produce an answer that is incorrect. Basically, Monte Carlo algorithm depends on how many iterations we can have. As long we have number of iterations are increased, the number of chances of solution may be increased. But it will depend on that within given chances whether we can get output or not. So these two are the variety of types of randomized algorithm. Now we'll take one example of randomized algorithm. Suppose as an example consider the problem of finding A in an array of n elements. So input will be an array of n elements in which half are A and other half are B's. And we need to find out the number A in the array. So now we'll see how this problem can be solved by using first Las Vegas and second Monte Carlo algorithm. So first we'll go with Las Vegas algorithm. As this algorithm suggests, now what can we do? We can have algorithm finding A Las Vegas. In this you can see we have array A and the array will contain list of n items. Now we'll repeat the same procedure until we find the solution. And how we'll find solution? We'll randomly select one element out of n elements and then see whether this is A or not. If this is A, then okay, otherwise we'll repeat and we'll repeat the same procedure until we'll get A. Now we can see that this algorithm succeeds with probability 1, but the running time is random and its expectation is upper bounded by order of 1. Now point is why this algorithm succeeded with probability 1. As we can see that Las Vegas algorithm runs until we get the output, until we get the solution. And since this algorithm will stop only when we'll get the desired solution. So as soon as we'll get the desired solution, we'll get the output, and the output, that's why output probability is 1. Second is Monte Carlo algorithm. As we can see is Monte Carlo algorithm, as this is highlighted, in which we are having this algorithm finding Monte Carlo algorithm array A having list n. So begin I equals to 1, repeat, randomly select one element out of n elements I plus 1. Now we'll again do the same procedure, but now in this case, now we are having just k chances, and out of k chances we are supposed to generate the answer. Now point, if by using given chances, if we can find the solution, then Monte Carlo algorithm gives the answer. Otherwise it will produce a wrong answer saying don't find any A in the list. However, A is still present in this array list. So if A is found, then algorithm succeeded, else the algorithm fails. After k times execution, the probability of finding A is 1 minus, this 1 is success probability, minus 1 by 2 to the power k is failure probability. So if we subtract 1 minus failure, then we can get success probability of finding it. So main thing is that this algorithm doesn't guarantee of success, but the runtime is fixed. The selection of executed exactly k times. Therefore, the runtime is order of k. So these are the two versions of randomized algorithm. I hope you all will get the clear-cut picture of Monte Carlo algorithm and Las Vegas algorithm in randomized algorithm.